See what's in there. And I'm getting ready to make my biscuit sandwich.
But it's my fault. He turned it off.
And I said, well, that's liable to blow a fuse. So I reached over and the blue light was on and I turned it off.
Yeah.
I made my biscuits and I just reached over without looking and flicked it back on because that's the way it is.
But I left it on.
Yes, you left it on. It was on when I made my biscuit.
All right, then why did you let her back on?
Because that's the way I found it. I thought there was coffee in there.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was practically empty.
Oh, it's still my fault.
Yes. I put it back the way I found it.
Then why would you look?
Why would I? It was on. I assumed there was coffee in there.
So maybe I assumed there was coffee in there too.
Oh, bullshit. You're trying to turn around like I'm the one that left it on and
Well,
all.
why would you turn it off and then turn it back on and blame me for leaving it on?
Because it was on when I made my goddamn biscuits. I figured that's the way you wanted it. I figured there was coffee and you wanted it on. So I made my biscuits and without looking, I just reached over there and flicked it back on again. So if you would come here and want your damn coffee and it was cold, then you would have hollered too. You understand that?
A little bit.
She left the coffee pot on with hardly nothing in it, then I flick it off and make my biscuits without looking, I just flick it back on again. But yet it's my fault because I shouldn't have turned it back on. God. Woman's reasoning.
Your reasoning is pretty stupid too.
It is not.
Yes, it is.
Where do you get that? It's stupid. Because I put it back the way it found it before I made my...
Why didn't you look and see if there's anything in there?
Well, I didn't think I had to. It was on. I assumed there was coffee in there. God damn. It's my fault. She says I'm stupid. Just like you go into a room and a light's on and you turn it off, and then when you leave again, you turn it back on. You figure somebody wants that light on.
True.
And vice versa. If you go in and it's off and you turn it on, you turn it back off again. That's the way you found it.
It's probably the way she wanted it.
She's got to turn it around now where I was stupid because I flicked it back on. I think that's just being considerate when you turn it back on again after you turn it off. If I turned it off and left it off, forgot to turn it on, and she come up here and wanted her coffee. Oh, this is cold. Somebody turned it off and didn't turn it.
Well, there's a bunch in there, but if there's not that much in there.
I didn't look to see how much was in there.
I always turn it off usually when I get and I can tell there's.
Well, you
that
didn't
much.
today. What was that yesterday you said you did and you didn't do it? God damn. Something else, and there was nobody else around. It had to have been you.
What? Left it on?
No, yesterday there was the same situation where you denied you did something.
Oh, and it was stupid of you.
How stupid of me to turn that coffee back on when I
But then
found
you're
it.
bitchy because it was left on. You're the one who left it on then.
I just put it back the way I found it.
Okay.
Oh, God damn. What reasoning?
Your reasoning.
Warped. No, it ain't warped.
It's warped too.
It is not.
It is too.
In your stupid little twisted mind, maybe.
Hey, I didn't call you names like that.
Well, you keep insisting that and you know goddamn well you were wrong for leaving that on, and you're turning around to make it look like it was my
When I
fault.
got coffee and there was still a bunch of coffee in there. I usually turn it off when I know there ain't much coffee in there.
Well, who come in here and drank all that coffee? Because I sure didn't take it. What I got here right now is what was left over in my cup from my first cup this morning. And after I made my biscuits, I just picked up this cup and put it in the microwave.
She whispered to me that your logic is really stupid on that.
I got on my clothes.
No, it's her logic. She don't have no logic.
I don't say your logic either, Eddie. If you're the last one to turn it off, why don't you just leave it off?
Because I didn't look to see if there was any coffee in there. Because it was on when I first come up there. And you left it on. I figured you had coffee in there. You wanted it on. God.
I think we both screwed up. I screwed up.
Yeah, because I didn't follow up after you and watch. That's where I screwed up.
Yeah.
Knowing you wouldn't turn it off.
I usually turn it off in the morning, especially when I know you're in bed. You normally turn it
Oh,
off.
God damn it. That's all I heard out of the whole conversation.
He just